Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to use PancakeSwap. So guys, PancakeSwap, it's the next big thing, man. It's a game changer. So we're gonna show you a little bit about it. So there you can exchange your tokens. So if you guys are wanting to exchange like your BUSD for a certain token, you can just swap it here, and it's really cheap to do, which is really awesome actually. So first you got to connect your wallet. We'll go ahead and connect our Binance chain. We also have a couple tokens we can swap. So say for example you want to swap BNB, you can go to Alpha, I'm sorry, so you can do Max. It's easy, and the fees are cheap. Look, it's literally like nothing. So it's pretty awesome. Yeah, PancakeSwap it's where it's at. So I mean, you can look at all these different things. So you can even do like Link, Kava, Injective. I mean, it's crazy. So you can swap all these different things on here. So it's really neat, really cool. So you can actually go to the liquidity. So what we're going to do is we're going to add liquidity, because that's what this video is about. We're going to do the BUSD and DAI pool. So we'll select DAI BUSD. We'll do the max that we can do, and obviously it'll automatically populate the max. Yeah, we can't do that max. So we got the max here. DAI USD, share of the pool, 3%. And we'll go ahead and approve BUSD. And then we'll approve DAI. Permission, network fee, really low fee, which is nice. And we'll approve DAI. You can approve them at the same time, you don't have to wait. Just take some time to load because I'm recording this video, so it kind of slows down my internet. Approve both of those, and you sit there and wait. You can check out your Binance Chain wallet to watch the funds just deplete. I'm just kidding. So you can kind of just wait. We received both of those, so now we will hit supply, and it'll confirm our tokens. So now we're confirming the tokens. Now it's going to say, yeah, we're going to take some more money from you, but it's not a lot. It saves a lot more money. Just imagine if you're on Ethereum doing these. It's nuts. I mean, on Ethereum, it's like, great. I'm paying like 70, 80 bucks. No, more like $100 for all this junk. But now look, we just did all these transactions, and how much did it cost us? Binance Chain wallet, let me see. 0.98, so 0.012 BNB tokens. So cheap. So now we have the Binance token. We also have our LP tokens. So LP tokens in your wallet. So now what we need to do is we need to go provide liquidity. Oh, I'm sorry, not liquidity. We need to go to the, not farms. Farms is where you can farm the cake. I pressed the wrong one, guys. Man. Let's go to the pools. So now we're going to go to the pools. Our wallet should already be connected. I don't know why it's asking to unlock it, but anyways, we'll go with that later. No, I was right. It was actually farms. Alright, so farms, this is where we're going to go get our cake. We have the... Where is it? The DAI BUSD token. So now we're going to unlock the wallet. We're going to select Binance Chain wallet. It's gonna say, hey, do you want to let the Binance Chain wallet connect? We're going to go ahead and connect it. Alright, so now we already approved the contract, so now we're going to stake LP. It doesn't show up in our wallet, but it is in there. I just didn't add the contract address. So we're just going to confirm. It's going to probably pop up and say confirm this transaction. So guys, again, if this was on the Ethereum network, it would be crazy fees. But this kind of gets rid of them, which is really, really nice. Alright, so here's the Binance Chain wallet, 0.003 BNB. Again, super cheap. Confirm the transaction. And now we're staking. Literally when it pulls up, you can hit harvest, and it'll probably pull up the contract over here, let you withdraw cake, and that's it. So that's how you provide liquidity on PancakeSwap and earn interest and earn yield. So really cool protocol, neat project. Yeah. You can also withdraw it all and just say, yeah, I want to do the max. And then if you need to unstake your LP tokens, it's the same concept. You just go back in, exchange. And if you go to the exchange / liquidity section, you hit liquidity. If you don't see the pool you joined, you can import it, or you can if you're staked, you flip, or the flip tokens that you staked in the farm, when you unstake them, they'll pop up here, and you can easily just exchange them at any time. You can probably just copy the address too. Here's where you can find the Pancake LP tokens. You go on BSC scan. You literally just click this section where it shows up on BSC scan. You can go to your wallet address, Binance chain, and if you want to add a token, you literally just say, okay, got it, whatever. Add a token. First I need to add the DAI, definitely, so I don't forget about that. And yeah, so that one's added, and then we'll add the LP token. Add asset, and it adds your Pancake LPs. You can also get the Syrup LPs just to show you have proof of it. But anyways, you guys get the concept. So that's how you provide liquidity and earn some cake. Look, we already earned 0.003 cake. So cool. Guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video. If you guys are new to cryptocurrency, don't know where to get started, don't know what to invest in, well, participate in the triple threat. The first thing, set up a Celsius account. This is for your savings. This is where you're going to store your cryptocurrency, and you can earn interest. It can be up to 5%, 6%, 10%, and they even have some as high as 17%. Here's a referral link. Use this referral link in order to get 20 bucks in free Bitcoin. Part 2 of the triple threat is to get a Crypto.com. Crypto.com account is one of the best places, especially for a beginner, to buy cryptocurrencies, or smaller altcoins. So now you have a savings account. Now you need to get a cryptocurrency wallet that allows you to buy those smaller altcoins like your Engine coin, your Raven coin, just like smaller alts, so you guys can participate in those big plays. My referral code is down here. If you use this, you'll get 25 bucks free. And the next one is Voyager. Voyager is awesome. There's a list of different cryptocurrencies you can use. What I like about Voyager in particular is you can actually make your next level up in buying cryptocurrencies. You can actually buy Bitcoin with a limit order. So you just hit buy Bitcoin, hit limit, and you type in how much you want. Boom, you're off to the races. So you don't have to watch it and make sure it's a good buy. And here's a referral code you guys can use to get some free cryptocurrency. This will allow you to get $25 for free. Can't beat free. And then obviously this is just a fun one, so you can get free cryptocurrency, is going on Lolly. You get a daily stack. All you do is you tap the treasure chest and you get free sats, and it's literally free. One of the days I literally got 20 bucks in free Bitcoin. Look, 101,000 sats. Pretty cool.